popular DailyMed product labeling database. We've simplified the research process by compiling product labeling information into an easy-to-navigate, filterable tool to help expedite product development.
As just seen, the new DailyMed feature is seamlessly integrated in ZoomLab and absolutely simple to use. Regardless which formulation you're working on, you will find the composition of already launched drug products further supporting you in your drug development. And that without the need of leaving the ZoomLab interface at any time.